This presentation discusses what you need to know about installing a quick connect charger harness on an FAA-certified aircraft to make it safe and easy to use a BatteryMINDer whenever your aircraft is hangared. Most aircraft batteries are enclosed and not easily accessed, so installing a quick connect harness will make using your BatteryMINDer much easier. Aviation-specific BatteryMINDers include an insulated battery clip harness suitable for temporary connections or bench charging, but it is not legal or safe to install on the aircraft, and certainly not convenient or suitable for regular use. By the way, some older aviation BatteryMINDers were supplied with a ring terminal harness. If you have one of these, keep in mind that it is not an aviation part and not approved or legal for installation on a certified aircraft. For FAA-certified aircraft, installing a harness to access the battery is not difficult, but it must comply with federal aviation regulations. This can be accomplished as a minor alteration using standard practices and is completely within the approval authority of a licensed airframe mechanic. The FAA requires that materials used in fabricating the harness must be aviation-grade parts or comply with acceptable standards, such as military specifications. The installation should be kept simple. No FAA Form 337 or field approval is necessary. Once the harness is installed and tested, the aircraft can be returned to service by the mechanic's entry in the airframe maintenance logbook. Aviation-grade parts for a battery harness may be sourced, fabricated, and installed by your mechanic. However, the best solution is our White Lightning BMAIK 2A airframe interface kit. It provides the parts and instructions for a fuse 2-wire harness to access the aircraft's lead-acid battery, providing an instant connection for an aviation maintenance charger. It is ideal for a standalone BatteryMINDer or the built-in BatteryMINDer charger in our SmartGPU. Just hand the kit to your mechanic to install. The installation labor is typically about an hour. For safety and ease of maintenance, it is best to connect our kit to the aircraft's battery relay and airframe ground, not directly to the battery. The kit utilizes trusted Anderson SB50 polarized connectors and includes an insulating dust cover to protect the plug when not in use. Complete instructions are provided, along with specific regulatory references and even a suggested logbook entry. For more details, installation examples, and downloadable resources, visit our website at whitelightninggpu.com or give us a call at 859-253-4599 to learn more.